mud saver sub. Here gets the threads on the bottom. Mud saver valve goes in this way. Threads are on the bottom. Make sure it's oil, grease on the seal. Here on the seal. Get grease as well in here. Grease. Make sure it's in there good. Again, valve goes in this way on the thread. Get a pipe that fits on top of the valve. Like that. That's good, so you can hammer it in. Press the valve in there. Put the pipe. Grab a rubber hammer or anything that you can hammer with. Good. Has to be fully inserted once it can't go any farther. Once you hear that, it's in. It can't go any farther, and you can see it. That's how deep it goes, just below the threads. Now we're going to take the valve out. Mud saver on the bottom. Get a pipe long enough that fits through the whole mud saver. Put it on the side with the threads. Right here, threads on the outside. Get a big sledgehammer that you can hit it hard with. And get it out. And valve comes sliding out just like that. Once you have the valve, clean it, get it all fixed up, ready to go again.